Hey everyone, good evening. This is Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm planning to give you live classes of Microsoft Azure Administrator, and I have already scheduled the free demonstration class by tomorrow, 8 p.m. IST, and mention the Google form in description. So please submit your complete information if you really want to join the free demonstration class to check how our classes will go, and if you have any technical question or query, so you can join our live demonstration and ask me question related to our classes. So if everything is okay, we'll start our session by 28th of Jan, means by next Saturday we'll start our live session. Our session already scheduled for 2 hours in in weekend like Saturday and Sunday, and we'll try to complete entire content in 6 weekend. So if you want to be a part of our online classes, so please submit your information. I'll definitely contact you via mail or WhatsApp and give you the complete information how you can join our live session. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Take care and do subscribe your on Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. Take care, guys.